Whew, okay. So here's what you do. You're going to close your eyes? All right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep moving my mouse, and you tell me when to stop. Say when.
Stop.
Here we are, right there. Okay. We let the randomness make the choice for us, huh? All right, bud.
Can I open my eyes now?
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see if the random does us any favors.
Yes. If it does, we're always going to pick the random.
Get this up. Otherwise, nobody can see you up there.
Oh, stop. Okay. Oh, no, continue.
Oh, what is he? Yes! Nice! 3 of 4 commons. The set is almost complete. You know what I always wondered about Man of Arms? Why does he wear furry underwear?
He-Man wears fairy.
Yeah, they do, I know.
Almost all
It's
of
silly.
them.
Alright! Look at that. He looks so cool. I love it. I love it. His head is gigantic. Looks terrific. Alright, very cool. 3 of 4 of the common set. I love it.
Ooh, yeah.
That's great. Cool. We need one more. We just need that Panther. Common Panther. We need to make that happen.
What does Panther look like?
What does Panther look like? Like that.
Oh, that's Panther. I forgot.
Yeah.
Needs Panther.
Collect. There he is.
Ooh, wait. Go up. What's wrong with him?
No, that must be just a different rarity, right? Like her. It must be like a legendary maybe. Let's see. Which one is that? Oh, uncommon. Uncommon for him.
Oh, wait. They look the same, right? Go up. Oh, just...
Yeah, not too different. Just kind of his helmet's like metallic. His eyes are a little bit different. See, it's like green, yellow, black. So that's a little bit different. But, you know, and you got to remember when we go into these things and we see the power levels, right? When we see that little meter when they're in the packaging, we can see that. That's also something that's going to happen here, right? Is that the higher they are, the higher their power level. Higher the rarity, the higher the power level. So when we can use them in different ways, it's not just the look. It'll also make more sense. And that was the epic of her that we saw at the top there. Yeah. This guy, this one, that rare Skeletor is just so cool.
We need... I want the rare Skeletor, the rare Panther, and the rare Man-at-Arms.
Yeah.
I think he's like Earth, like the whole, like everything.
Oh, yeah, like a planet, like a globe. Yep.
Like,
I do like the epic her, the epic sorceress. I like that. Look, costume looks good on her. This is kind of cool because look, he's got the purple and the green. Like he's got a lot of colors happening
I
here.
think he's the best. He's the best. I don't really care for the others. Panther, he's just too bright for me.
Okay.
All of them, they're just too bright for me.
I see.
I like them.
I kind of like him again too, just because of his gold teeth. Because you know, like people, like real people, can have gold teeth, and that's what it looks like he has, which is funny.
And like the black.
Yeah.
Look at him.
I mean, the Grails are just mean, right? Like, look at Panther. He looks great. So, and the Ultra Grails, of course, there's only one of each of those, so getting those super hard.
He's the best.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, you know, we seem to like the ones like with these hoods and stuff, just because like the black in there, like it creates like a really cool look. There was somebody else in an earlier one, I don't remember. Orko, maybe.
Orko.
So, there you go. And that is it. Cool. All right.